paying attention in this area when you're walking, I've got a release technique to show you. Take a tennis ball, lacrosse ball also works, those are a little harder. And then at home, I just use a basketball because we have one, so pretty much any ball will work for the standing, or the bottom ball. So first we're gonna take the tennis ball and put it right about there. So like right about on the glute med, on the side there. Then you go over to the wall, and we want to be kind of close to the wall because we're simulating walking. This is for if you have tension while you're walking, helps fix your gait cycle, internal, external rotation struggles, things like that. So maybe here, you want to keep your hips level, so we don't want any of this going on or any of this, or one coming forward. So you are diagonal from the wall, but you want to stack your hips and ribs. So your arm will be up against the wall, but we're not leaning into it. And then you're going to start with your toes and the ball of your foot on the ball, on the bottom one, and extend and retract with pressure on that back end there. And you want to pay attention to the standing leg as well. You don't want to be collapsing in the arch or rolling the ankle out. Stay nice and strong here. The arch, keeping a strong arch is going to help keep this glute nice and active. So we're trying to calm down the tight side and activate the underactive side. Just back and forth, trying to keep your knee pretty much even except for that final little extension there. So rolling through and returning. And ball in the same spot, but we're gonna hit the back end of that. So we're gonna start here, ball of the foot is on the ball. This leg is simulating standing upright. And we're going to roll back and through. So your heel is on the ball in front of your body, and we're just rolling through center to the toes just behind the standing leg. And then the second one I'm going to show you is to put the ball a little bit closer to your sciatic area, and then we're going to take the opposite leg. And you're going to be about, you want the standing position to simulate, or the standing leg to simulate the standing position. So we don't want to be out from the wall leaning back on it. We want to be about butt and ball space from the wall to simulate that standing position during the gait cycle. So opposite leg of where you have the ball this time. Again, hips are level, they're not shifting any direction, and stacked over the ribs. If you lean your rib cage and shoulders back into the wall, you'll get more in the low back, so like getting that QL area and above the hip bone. If you keep your torso up off of it, we're working on core engagement during the gait cycle. So here, you're gonna roll forward, and then same concept here, keeping this leg nice and strong, so we're not collapsing like that, like I just did. And then we're rolling it back. So trying to keep that knee level except for that final little extension part there.